Winding roads through fields of gold, sunset skies a sight to hold. Cypress trees in rows so fine, we drove for hours lost in time. The hills were singing soft and clear, a symphony we'd hold so dear. Tuscany Roads, where memories stay, through vineyards green and skies of gray. Each turn a chapter, each mile a rhyme. This is our story, frozen in time. Rustic villas in the distance, whispers of love in soft existence. We laughed in lanes that felt like dreams, chasing sunsets by silent streams. The hills were singing soft and clear, a symphony we'd hold so dear. Tuscany Roads, where memories stay, through vineyards green and skies of gray. Each turn a chapter, each mile a rhyme. This is our story, frozen in time. The earth beneath, the sky above. Tuscany Roads, a road of love. Tuscany Roads, where memories stay, through vineyards green and skies of gray. Each turn a chapter, each mile a rhyme. This is our story, frozen in time. And when the sun fades from view, Tuscany Roads will carry me